Hey everybody, welcome back to TAZ's Wig Closet at Wig Studio One. Today I have a review for you of a short little pixie cut by Wille. It's called Pixie in the color Pastel Blonde mix. You won't want to miss the details. Coming up. This wig was sent to me by Wig Studio One. For this review today, be sure to expand the description box where you'll find a link to this exact style. Also, there's an automatic coupon at checkout for 30% off of all Wille styles. If you have any question for us, please reach out to support@wigstudio1.com. And if you need help right away, we have a new live chat feature. So from any product page on the website, go down and hit the help button. You'll be connected with the live chat. Wille's Pixie is a pixie, more of a short little cropped boy cut style pixie. It has some really cute texture and layers. Let's look at Pastel Blonde mix real quick. So you're gonna see a combination of some platinums, some medium to dark ash in there, as well as some honey. This is not a rooted blonde. It's very light and bright and definitely not a pure platinum. It has a lot of dimension. This is a really beautiful color if you like platinums and light blondes, because that platinum really brings it out and makes it very bright. But you can really get a sense of the layering of the different colors as well. So let's break down Pixie by Wille, a short little cropped boy cut style pixie. So you're looking at about a 2.5 inch bang. Those of you out there that really enjoy a bang, this is no fuss kind of a bang. It can be swept off to either side. It can be worn straight down. At 2.5 inches, it's not about to get in anyone's eyes, which is a good thing, right? And then in the back, about a 5.5 inch crown. Now that crown, it has a little bit of body towards the top, and it delivers a really cute little profile in the back. Now that tapers down into a 1.5 inch nape. So pay attention to the nape, as that nape measurement will be a little short for some with a longer hairline. There's a 2 inch layer here on the sides, and that 5.5 inch crown kind of comes forward and allows for a little bit of length in the layers on the top. That's why I think it resembles a little boy cut. I like the sculpted look of this, because what you have is this beautiful tapered look at the temple and the nape, but you've got a little bit of volume, texture, and layering on the top and at the crown. There's a lot you can do with this little pixie as well. Very, very easy to wear. And this weighs right around 2 ounces. So talk about the cap construction a moment. This is a completely open cap, and then you have a little bit, maybe a nickel size amount of monofilament right at the crown. Now, I would normally say that that crown monofilament really doesn't have a big purpose, but in this case, I think it does. It gives the illusion that the hair is growing from the scalp in that area, because what you find on a lot of people with natural hair growth, it will kind of swirl out from a central part in the back, especially if there's no designated parting space on the top. You can get a real sense of that. So I think that is a really nice natural touch, rather than just having a big mound of permatease there. So I like that. I think the mono crown in this on this particular style is well worth it. So let's talk permatease. There's enough permatease on this that you can get some lift and some different styles. It's certainly enough to cover up all of the wefting throughout the top pieces, but it's not so heavy as to make it feel heavy. You don't get a sense that there is a huge amount of permatease at all. It's actually a very modest amount, just enough to hold the style and give you some versatility and coverage. It's a very light density style. As you can imagine, it's not only short, but has a ton of layering, which always cuts into the density. And each of the fibers is really, really fine. So it's really super light in terms of density. It's got a nice feathery movement and appeal to it. Now, you won't want to probably wear it off of the face too much, just because it may expose some wefting there at the top. But trust me when I say that when you just tousle those layers on the top and you look down, you really can't see through to the permatease. And this is as light as it gets in terms of color other than white or gray. So I think they did a really good job of that. All right, let's go ahead. I'll do a spin and a walk for you, both indoor and outdoor, so you can get a sense of the movement and the color. This cap is really well done, lightweight, comfortable, and easy to wear. So there is a beautiful velvet piece right there at the front. That makes it super soft and comfortable. A little bit of rose net to cover wefting there. And then there's that little nickel size piece of monofilament right at the crown, giving it the appearance of some natural hair growth. The rest of the cap is completely open, including the ear tabs and the extended nape. There's lots of fibers spliced in all around for good coverage from all angles of that hairline. You do have Velcro adjusters. Lots of wefting on this style. It is average right out of the box. I did not have to cinch it in to get a secure fit. So my thinking is that it's best suited for petite through average. I really love this style right out of the box. I have not used any application of product. I haven't modified it in any way. I simply shook it out, applied it, tousled the top, and away I went. It's really easy to wear and it looks beautiful right out of the box. I love these forward swept layers on the top, the sculpted sides and back. This is going to give it a lot of versatility. Let's try with glasses. Most pixie cuts are pretty good with glasses. This is no exception. It fits beautifully between the ear and the ear tab on a chunkier glasses frame, as I have here. Cute with glasses too. I love statement glasses with a short cut like this. So let's go ahead and I will just flirt around with these layers and tuck behind the ear and just show you some options of what can be done with this little pixie style cut by Ellen Villa. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you next time on TAZ's Wig Closet at Wig Studio One.